Hello students, welcome to this lecture on line generation algorithm. Now in previous lectures we have seen the hardware part of computer. So there we have seen how image is generated, how electron gun works, how electron strikes on the phosphor coating of the screen, and how a point is illuminated or a point appears on a screen. So that was the hardware part. Now from today onwards we move on to the software development, how any CAD software is developed, and the first and the very basic entity of any CAD software is point and the line. Okay, so in today's session we are going to see how different logics are used for line generation. Now, before moving on to, let us see how a line appears on a screen. Now, this is a raster screen. We have seen that the screen of a computer is divided into small number of discrete cells called pixels. And if somebody asks to draw a line on a screen, so he gives the start point coordinates and he will give the end point coordinates, and accordingly we have to generate a line. So if this is the start point coordinate and this is an end point coordinate, okay, the pixels are numbered as, this is say x-axis. This entire monitor or entire screen is like a graph paper. This is an x-axis, this is a y-axis, and these pixels are numbered like that. This is the first horizontal pixel, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Similarly, vertical pixels are numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. The start point coordinate is say 5, 4. So this is the start point coordinate. So start point is 5, 4. And the end point coordinate is 12, 10. End point is 10, 12. Sorry, 12, 10. Now these are the start point and end points of a line which is desired on the computer screen. Now we know that what is a line. This is the start point of a line, this is an end point of a line, and line is nothing but set of points in between start point and end point. It is a set of points. These are the set of points between start point and end point. And all these points, they satisfy the equation of line y equal to mx plus c. That means every point on this line satisfies y equal to mx plus c. Okay. So every point on this line satisfies the equation y equal to mx plus c. Okay. Now in this case we are knowing a start point, we are knowing an end point. Now what are those intermediate pixels which will be selected and will be glown so that a desired line appears on the screen? Now we need to select the intermediate pixels between a start point and end point. And let us say these are those pixels. Suppose these are those pixels which will get illuminated and a line appears on a screen. So this selection of pixels between a start point and end point so that a desired line appears on a screen is called rasterization. Is called Rasterization. What is rasterization? Rasterization is a process of selecting a pixel so that a desired line appears on screen. So that is called rasterization. So we have to now develop a logic. We have to write a program. Okay, we have to write an algorithm so that user gives start point and end point coordinate, and accordingly a line should appear on a screen. Okay, so what are those logics? Now we'll see. Now different scientists have developed different logics. Now as far as your syllabus is concerned, you are having only 3 logic. That is equation of line, DD algorithm and Bresenham algorithm. So we'll see the logic behind line generation. Okay. So what are those 3 logic generation algorithm, line generation algorithm? First is equation of line. Second is DDA algorithm. And third is Bresenham algorithm. So we will be selecting the pixels using the 3